It was a pretty quiet week for rates last week, which is a good thing because there's so much uncertainty right now. So what happened last week? Well, consumer confidence fell to 12-year lows. People are worried our economy is going the wrong way. That was evidenced by stocks declining last week with all the uncertainty of tariffs. The NASDAQ was down 8%, the S&P 6%, and the Dow was down 5%. This is typically good for mortgage rates, and mortgage rates did show just slight improvement, and that's in spite of the fact that the PCE actually showed slightly increasing inflation, but it was nominal and it was expected, so it didn't really impact us that much. What about this week? Well, we will have more Fed speakers talking all week long. Monday's a quiet day. Tuesday we'll get ISM manufacturing. Wednesday we'll get ADP employment, but also factory orders. Thursday we'll get ISM services. So we're really watching to see how these tariffs are affecting everything that's happening in our economy. And then Friday, unemployment data, employment data, like all the employment numbers will be coming out. So where do we start this week? Well, again, a little bit better than last week. The 30-year is at 6.76%. The 15-year is at 6.15%. And the FHA 30-year is at 6.18%. Remember, those numbers are according to Mortgage News Daily. They are not Weber Mortgage's actual numbers. I would love to give you a quote. If you'd like one, just pick up the phone and give me a call or DM me mortgage rates. I want to talk to you about a product this week called a DSCR loan. That stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. We can now help you finance an investment property by just showing that the property will cash flow. It's no longer about you qualifying, it's more about the property qualifying. This has become a very popular loan. A lot of people are doing them. The rates are very competitive with the market rate, and it's much easier to do because they're not actually looking at your income as the individual who's buying the property. They're looking at the property's income. A DSCR loan, Debt Service Coverage Ratio. If you want more information, just DM me DSCR or investment loan, and we'll have a conversation. Hey, we really appreciate you at Weber Mortgage. We are a family in the business of helping families.